Welcome to the EdbMails IMAP to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails IMAP migration software lets you effortlessly perform the migration of IMAP mailboxes to the Exchange server. Whether moving from Gmail, Yahoo, Zoho, Zimbra, Icewarp, cPanel, GoDaddy, Rackspace, or any other IMAP server, EdbMails ensures a secure and efficient process. It preserves your folder hierarchy, email attachments, and metadata, allowing for a smooth migration to Exchange server without data loss. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, EdbMails enhances the IMAP to Exchange migration experience. Enjoy high-speed concurrent mailbox transfers, automatic mailbox mapping for precise results, and incremental migration to prevent duplicates. Advanced filtering options enable selective migration of specific data, ensuring an efficient migration process from IMAP to Exchange 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, and 2007. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process for migrating IMAP mailboxes to Exchange server using EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select IMAP Migration. Select IMAP to Exchange Server Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Select the Require option to connect to the source IMAP server. Click Download Sample CSV file. Select the location to save sample.csv file. Open the downloaded CSV file, add multiple mailbox details and save it. Click Browse CSV file. Select the modified CSV file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Exchange server. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Enter the target Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free IMAP to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.